Hi guys, good morning. It's Julie Cube from Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, doing a little pour for you today. Just want to thank you guys for joining me. I always appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't done, please do so. I'd be really appreciative. It's free. Righty, this is going to be just a very simple 3-colour pour. It is going to be for a base for an embellishment, but I just want to show you how something really simple can sometimes just turn out really beautiful. So here we go. Going to be using the Mont. Right, I'm going to put my washing machine on pause. I'm going to be using the Mont paints. They're studio acrylics. You can get them basically all over the world now. So the Mont studio acrylics, nice thick creamy paints. I'm using a pouring medium of the Mont clear PVA at a 70-30, so about that much glue. Take that much glue out of your first bottle, then I add warm water and give it a really good shake. If you add warm water, it seems to really mix well, and it just gives me really good results. So I just use the warm water, and then I do leave it to get all the bubbles out and so on. So it is good if you pre-make it up and yeah, just leave it to make paints. Then I add that pouring medium just slowly to my paints, because each particular colour, it gives you different results. It gives you the amount of pouring medium you add varies from each colour, I find. So it's no good saying a set amount to you guys. I just say just add it slowly till you get the consistency. Because I'm doing a swipe today, I have got it not too thick, but it kind of just leaves a little trace in your cup. So that's the yellow, and this is the orange, sort of just leaving a trace in your cup. So this is going to be only 3 colours. Now this is, I've made up the really dark burgundy or maroon or black cherry, whatever colour you would like to call it. That's what I've made up out of the real dark red. You add the dark phthalo blue to it, and even a blob of black if you want it to go real nice cherryish. So this is the really simple and hopefully the right effect. It's alright, my son just poked his head in the door. He's the fireman's son. So he's the one that likes actually watching my videos, and he's very, very supportive of me. So he's a good lad. And of course doing a very important job, being a fireman. So it's just take it nice and easy, nice and slow. It's your art room, your rules. My rules are there's no rules, so there you go. Just hoping this very simple effect will come out, and my other son, Scott, will, when it's fully dried, I'm going to get him to embellish it for me. That will remain. I will show you this, and then we'll do another one when Scott's embellished it. So just hoping this turns out how I've got in my mind. So just the bright orange and yellow. Nice bright uplifting colours. Just always drawn more so to bright colours than the brown and beiges and the dull colours. Just so much more uplifting. I'm living in a country that's bright and vibrant, Australia, so you literally go with the flow. So easy peasy, that one. I'm going to this really dark burgundy, cranberry, or whatever anybody wants to call it. I'm going to do it down the centre, just a very thin line. So just one tiny thin line. I will get my, was going to use the Swifty Swipe, but I think I'll just go to the full, this is a soft plastic file divider, so they're really good for your swipe tool. I just find them so much easier than a paper towel or anything, because they're soft plastic. They give that extra bit of weight, and then you just wipe them off and reuse them over and over again. So great, environmentally friendly, I suppose. Okay, so just dragging this nice and slowly over. Not too worried about my edges. Okey-dokey. It's taking it nice and easy. Just do that on the very end to let the paint lip over the edge. So this is very simple for, you know, if you're struggling and you're just a beginner and you want to do something that's simple that you're going to get nice results to give you encouragement, then this is probably one of the easiest ones to do. But it also has excellent results, hopefully. Having saying that, could go crazy like sometimes they do, even when you do the same things over and over again. Shows up different things in your pour, but that's what the beauty of it is, I find. Okay, go back over that again. Just drop maybe 1 centimetre of your file divider in. Just bring it over nice and slow. I'm looking forward to seeing what Scott does with this embellishment wise. So like I said, I'll definitely let you guys know when he does it, but it will be a number of weeks down the track, so I want to wait till it fully dries. So my son Scott is an airbrush artist, but he does lots of fantastic freehand drawing. There you go, there's Jerry the gecko. Always makes an appearance. I might not hear him all day long, and then as soon as I come and do some actual pour on video, he just like lets me know that, hey, I'm here too. So don't very often see him, but he's there. Like I'll come in at night and he will be on the ceiling or somewhere collecting all the bugs. Okay, it's kind of, to me, it's going to be a setup for like a sunset or sunset pour with a, you know. But anyway, I'm just interested to see what Scott will make of it. I'm going to get my Wonder Wand, my heat torch, which I'm using now nearly all the basically all the time. I've completely stopped for a number of weeks now using my butane gas, because I absolutely get the same results but a little bit slower, and I don't have the burning of my canvas as I would, or you could, with the butane gas. And plus, people using it for the first time get very nervous and frightened, but I love it. It's just a heat embossing gun. I have a link if you're in Australia to buy it below. They have plenty in stock at the moment. Yeah, so, and if you're overseas, then you maybe would try Amazon or eBay. Here we go. Oh, look at that. straight away. Starry, starry night. What a nice reflection swipe with the stars. Okay, that's as much as I'm going to give it, because that will continue now to develop, but I am seeing with my eye that I spy with my little eye. What I can see on that, it would be a very, very nice reflection swipe of the sunset and the stars, yeah, with the lovely red and orange skies that you get. Beautiful. I will allow it to develop a bit further, and then what I'll do is, when it's developed further, I will take photographs and add them to the end of this video, so you can see how it develops. I will leave it like that until Scott does something with it to embellish the pour further, and then I'll get back to you guys with the finished product, obviously. And it definitely will be on my Acrylic Art by Julie Cube Facebook page. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Give me some. That would be a fantastic idea if you guys could actually, with your eye, give some ideas that I can ask Scott to embellish it with. If you see something completely different than what I've just explained to you, let me know, and we'll see what I'll give him all the ideas that you give to me, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.